worm is hungry. Don't get in the way.
Don't pick on it.
Don't get in the wave. Here is a wave. Don't get in there.
What is the color of the worm, TJ?
It's green.
Green. Is it as same color as the leaf? Yes.
Oh. Why you getting in the wave? Why the worm get in the there?
Oh.
Why? Why the worm get there?
Get where?
Get down here.
Worm eat leaf. Worm eats leaf.
Did worm drink water?
I don't think so.
A little bit.
Because in the leaf, there is some water from the leaf too. Would you like it, TJ?
Yes, I will tickle it.
No, don't pick on it.
I will give them some.
Yeah.
Cool, right?
The worm wants to move. Now it's got a new house.
It's got a new island. It's a new island. Here I want to get. It's all gone. It's all gone now.
This is too small, right? This leaf is too small. TJ, can I have that leaf, please?
No, how about this?
No, that one, the ivy growth.
That leaf is the biggest leaf.
Oh, go get it. TJ, you can wait.
Now can you go get it? A big leaf.
Be careful, be careful.
That is a big leaf, so the worm can get in.
Gently pick it. Yep.
Okay, come here down.
Wow, you got the worm, the new house.
Okay, give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Thank you.
Yeah. The worm is moving. That's alright. The worm can crawl. Don't crawl. Yeah.
Here you go.
Wow.
It's got a new
house.
Do you look? That's your
Do you know why the color of the worm is green? Do you know why?
I don't know.
To hide from the bird.
It's eating. Are you hungry? Are you hungry?
Maybe the worm needs some milk.
No.
No.
He doesn't have much.
Or needs some rice.
No.
Oh no. So what does the worm eat?
The leaf.
The leaf, okay. Worm, bye-bye to the camera.